didn't ask no questions because he know. Baby want a wig. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Ken's debit card. He didn't ask no questions because he know. Baby want a wig. It is also Sip and Slaying. Your girl got her tea and her wine today. It has been a week. Take it to the head. Chase it. But anywho, before I get into this glueless natural hairline, clearly it's a wig install, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so your girl just got a package and we are gonna open and put this wig on together. Hold up, let's get it. Ooh, it smells good. Okay. This packaging is cute. I like the leaf detail. Let me just cut it because I don't know how this is tied. So let's just get it off of here. I got this wig from COILY OASIS on Instagram. I saw one of her wigs on Facebook first, but y'all know on Facebook they be scamming people, so I didn't look at it too much. I just screenshotted it and then left it alone. And then I get on Instagram about a week or so later and I see the exact same wig that I screenshotted from Facebook on Instagram. So I'm like, oh shoot, let me go and look and see who this brand is. So I go to check out the brand and it's one of them brands. You know what I'm saying? Like, one of them brands that be stealing photos. You can just tell. So what I did was go back to my screenshot in hopes that I had the person who posted the original photo to see if that name was on there. And I was in luck because it was. I looked her up on Instagram, I messaged her and I said, hey, so-and-so has stole your picture. I was actually looking at this wig, but now they have it on their site. I know it's a scam, just letting you know. She was super appreciative about it and she actually follows me on YouTube, full circle moment. So since that day, I have been drooling literally over her wigs. Her wigs look amazing, y'all. But I didn't know which one I wanted to buy, so I just wanted to wait. And then she posted this one right here. Kidding. Let me go ahead and hold that debit card real quick. I believe this one is Uma. So first up, you get the thank you card. Hey, gorgeous, that's me. Thank you so much for your purchase, COILY OASIS. There's even a code on here for the next time I shop. I will be using that. It comes with a wig bag as well as a wig cap and a brush. She gave me a spray bottle and then it's wrapped really nice. Oh, it smells good. What you telling me is I can put this wig on out the pack. I'm ready to rock it. I did order the 5x5, but her vendor ran out of that closure, so she gave me a 6x6. And her specialty is the natural hairlines. Look at the hairline. Do y'all see that? This is the color. Ooh, so nice. Ooh. And it just smells so good. I like that smell. What is that smell on there? It's already pre-cut. Got the 6x6 closure with the darts for that comfort fit. You get one comb on each side of the parting space. You have a comb in the middle, which I know I don't really care for, but I'll leave it. And then you have the comb in the back with the adjustable straps and the elastic band for a glueless fit. And then she has her brand tag in there, COILY OASIS. This is a Black woman owned brand. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you right now, her wigs are not cheap, but I must say already I'm impressed. You can feel that product on that hair too. She goes in and defines the curls for you. These curls are a little bit more, stringier is not the word that I want to use. They're just not as clumped as I would like. I like my curls to be a little bit thicker clumped, but I'm still gonna rock it because less work that I gotta do, the better. Before I put this on, let me go ahead and tint the inside of my cap because it's ashy, it's lace. I'm gonna get my Black Radiant Soft Focus powder in the color Creamy Bronze around that hairline like so. Loosen this band up a little bit. Hold up. The elastic band is removable, so if you need to move it or take it out, you can do that. Let me spray my hair down real quick. I'm just using my AsIAM Jamaican Black Castor Oil water. I like to make sure my hair is moisturized before I put on my cap. Okay, let's put it on. I think she gave me a left side part. I'm a right side girl, but it's okay. I'ma work it. But y'all can see how that hairline is looking. Look at that. What kind of product in here? The curls are moving, child. I like that. I do want a middle part though. Try not to mess up my front too much. The one that I chose was a little bit shorter. She did tell me that she left a little bit more length on mine, which is okay, but honestly I would have rather had the shorter version because that was the look that I was going for this one. But if you do not want length on yours, you want yours exactly like the picture, just make sure you tell her if you decide to order this wig or any of the wigs that she has on her page. Again, mine is a little bit more stringy than I would like, so I need to fluff mine up. So I'm just taking my pick, picking through the hair a bit, kind of break up those curls a little bit. I might can tighten down my band a little bit. This is fitting really comfortably. Before I go any further, let me wipe some of this product off. Use my hair and scalp wipes to do that. Okay, coming right off. I'm gonna take my blow dryer and flatten this out a bit. So I'm gonna use it on warm and high. Let me get my hairline together. Y'all see how that's laying? That looks good. And if it's too much for you, just brush some of it back. I'm just gonna clip this back so I can hold this out of my face. I just want it to be a little bit more lived in, not as perfect. Pulling the hair, taking my comb, and dragging it across the hair like this. If you want the perfect look, then obviously keep it. But I like my hair to look lived in. Ooh, I love it. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna do my makeup and then we are done. This was money well spent. Thanks, Kenny. The way she ventilates her hairlines, it looks good. I literally have no complaints about this wig. The hair quality is top tier. The lace is seamless. The way the hairline blends around the lace, it works. And some of y'all gonna be like, oh, I can tell it's a wig because of how you have the hairline. Lie again. I'm not sure which hairline is on this exact wig. She does have, I believe, 3 different hairlines. The texture though is more like a coily texture, and that 6x6 works out really nicely, and it's a closure, so your sides are out, but you can finagle the hair around your hairline if you wear glasses, or just kind of pin it down, or wear wig grip and then kind of pin it to the wig grip if you want the hair to stay down around your face. I'm not sure if she offers different cap constructions as far as like 13x6, 13x4, but for this one it was just the closures, and the color is gorgeous. I'm definitely ready for fall, and I don't feel like it's a lot of heat around my neck. I may look sweaty, but it's not. That's lotion. It's lightweight. It moves. Listen, I paid for quality, and COILY OASIS said I got that. If you need to call Daddy Pawpaw, call him now. Get in early. His list is filling up. So if you decide to buy a wig from her, she does make her wigs herself. There will be a turnaround time, so make sure you're patient. I ordered my wig on September 3rd. And she shipped my wig out on October 4th. So it took about a month. And I'm pretty sure starting at the end of this month, she will be offering the custom hairline service. I got my dates wrong. The end of this month, she'll be selling some of her wigs that are first come, first serve. She will also be doing sometime soon the BYOW, bring your own wig service. Pretty much can send her any wig that's of a certain quality. Don't send her no trash, you know what I'm saying? And she will ventilate your hairline like this. Texture options are hybrid blend, 3C, 4B, and 4C. I either have the 4B or the 4C hairline. I have a couple wigs that I want to send her to get my hairlines updated. So if your wig didn't come with a nicer hairline and you want a nicer hairline, she can ventilate that for you. That service will take about 4 to 6 weeks to do, so make sure you're patient with that. This looks good. I'm so happy with this wig. But that's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.